Hello everyone, welcome back to our US versus UK English series. In this lesson, you will learn 30 more common words that are different in American English and British English. Cell phone, mobile phone, mail, post, movie, film, cookie, biscuit, sneakers, trainers, pants, trousers, sweater, jumper, closet, wardrobe, gas, petrol, gas station, petrol station, check, bill, diaper, nappy, stroller, pushchair, eraser, rubber, flashlight, torch, zip code, postcode, crosswalk, zebra crossing, highway, motorway, subway, underground, vacation home, holiday home, principal, head teacher, grade, mark, math, maths, store, shop, shopping cart, trolley, parking lot, car park, round trip, return ticket.